morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Depending on where you're located, as always, welcome. The heat and humidity continued through August, preventing me from hitting the gravel as much as I would have liked. Enough was enough. In late August, I decided to head out for a gravel adventure at 3 in the morning. I had the trails all to myself, and I even took some time to gaze at the stars. It was an excellent ride, save for one flat tire. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Good morning. We're out here, it's approximately 2 or 3 in the morning, I don't even know at this point. One of the things that I like about being a night shifter and working nights is that I get to come out here during this time. There is absolutely nobody out here. It is peaceful. I hear the crickets. I see the stars. Most of the time when I'm out here doing this sort of riding in the middle of the night, I'm out here on my road bike. But tonight I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm out hitting the gravel. Anyway, I'm gonna get back to riding. Well, shortly after I finished filming that, I noticed my tire was going soft. Kinda sucks to get a flat tire in the middle of the night, but it is what it is. You just deal with it, I guess.